Now, do y'all remember apples and caramel dip? Like back when I was in middle school and high school, anytime we would have a function at church, like this would be like always on the menu. I mean, always. It don't matter if it was for a breakfast, brunch, lunch, or dinner event at church, we were serving this up, okay? So I'm going to be veganizing this today. So I'm going to be using a can of coconut milk as well as some pure maple syrup, some brown sugar, some cornstarch. I'm also going to add in a little bit of vanilla extract for some heightened flavor as well as some ground cinnamon and a little bit of salt. You know, salt and caramel go together. Okay. So then we're going to bring this to a boil. A very intense boil, and you want to stir. You do not want to let up off the stirring until we turn the heat down. So once it gets to about this color, you can go ahead and bring your heat down to like a medium low heat. And then we're going to add in some molasses to this, and this is going to give it that nice deep rich color along with heating it up. And then at the very end, we are going to add in some vegan butter. And this is going to prevent the caramel from sticking and make it into more of like a dipping sauce. So you want to go ahead and reduce your heat or turn your heat completely off because there's going to be enough heat to melt that butter. And you just want to stir this until the butter is fully melted. This will also help to thin out your caramel sauce as well, as you can see happening. And then from there, we're just going to plate this up. I'm going to be using some Granny Smith apples today. And to make sure those don't oxidize on me, I'm just going to toss them in some lemon juice. And yeah, these were amazing. It's so easy to make this caramel sauce. If you wanted to do like a caramel candy, you could cool your caramel and then add in some tapioca, starch, or flour. That's what's used in a lot of candy as well. So just some ideas, but yeah, let me know what you guys think of this recipe. You know, I got you on the recipe. Full recipe is in the description box down below. And if you like this video, be sure to give your girl a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you know exactly when I post. Until next time, thanks for watching. Oh, and I didn't forget to show y'all the inside. There's no inside to show you, but here's a little dip for you.